What's up, guys? This is my Lego Marvel game, which came out on November 14th. So let's gonna do the unboxing of Lego Marvel Superheroes 2 on the PS4 edition. It's PS4 version. It includes the characters include Kingpin, or Spider-Man. New characters use Kang the Conqueror and the others. Use Hank Pym, Captain America, and Wasp. The Battle for All the Time, which includes it. I'm just gonna go look in the back. See, look at the characters. We use Rocket, Baby Groot, Spidey, Hulk, Captain America, Cowboy. Look, we unlock all the worlds for Lego Marvel 2, iconic Marvel heroes and Marvel villains, all different. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Unboxing it really quick. Here's my disc and the season pass of the Lego Ninjago movie, and here is the instructions for Lego Marvel 2. Use any controller, use the map, move any character or jump. Get ready to download the season pass. Those are all the characters. They included the Black Panther, Avengers, and Ant-Man. Thank you guys for unboxing my new Lego Marvel Superheroes 2. I'll upload it and I'll make a walkthrough.